Hi besties, we're gonna install a wig together. I've never installed a wig for myself before, but then I plaited some lines however way I could. They look sloppy, but they'll do the work. I'm so excited for this, guys. Let's do this. So I'm gonna go with my cup. But now the thing that I am facing is that I don't have powders. As you can tell, I'm not in my house, and I don't have dark powder to conceal, Yeah. My wig is already tinted, kind of, and this is the wig. It's a beautiful wig. It's a very beautiful wig. Yeah. So I'm gonna put on our wig. I'm adjusting the straps at the back. Not even adjusting them, just fastening them as they are. And then wearing the wig. And then wearing the wig. Guys, my lines are not as flat as I'd want them to be. How do I look? Okay, bring it to the middle. How do you expect to do this without a mirror, Brenda? How do you expect to do this without a mirror? Honestly, guys, this wig can just pull off as glueless because it's really tacky. Like, yeah. You know what? These wig terminologies are for professions, okay? Don't expect me to pull off a wig terminology over here. Eh? If it's wrong, we will learn. I don't know. I feel like the lines are making the wig bulky, but let me get a mirror. Let me just get a big mirror. I got a mirror, and it's on this side. So guys, if you see me looking at this side, I'm looking at myself because I can't do it without a big mirror. That small mirror was just hideous. As I told you, this wig can be worn just like that. I can just put it on, straighten it a little bit, and just go my way. But then that's not the case, eh? Guys, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. I've already put my hot comb to heat up, and it was in the seat. Imagine. Get your makiti. So anyway, I want to put glue, the Ebon spray glue, because this week I'm staying with it for 3 days because the situation of my hair is wanting. Yeah, so I will stay with it for a bit, so that's why I want to lay it down with the glue. Just comment down below if you're a weavologist or you deal with wigs. Advice, give me some advice on what I can do, or if you say I'm doing anything wrong, just tell me down below. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull my hair back like that. Pull the hair back like this. Then spray. Pull it. You just place it like that. You don't press too hard. You can use a rat tail comb. Yes. It's coming through, it's coming through. Then now we go to this other side. I like it. Now let's wait for it to get tacky. Woo! Woo! Guys, I am burning myself like crazy. I think I should start doing this more often so that I can get used to it. Because the rate at which I'm burning myself, and then my lines so bulky, and I'm so bothered by that. I hope that it's not reflecting from the camera, or anyone who's on the outside won't see me. This is what I've done, guys. I am done. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, guys. Till when will I keep burning myself? Let me finish up. Let me wrap up. Because this one, guys, the bulky lines from the inside of my wig are not allowing me to prosper. Yet I've already glued down the wig to fail. I don't know what to do. Let's see. Like they're so bulky. I'm even worried. Did I remove the wig? Because I feel also like the line is not in the middle, like the parting that I did. Yeah, guys, it's not like in the middle. But let me fix it and then I'll come back. I've come to realize that this wig business is a sport. Like, I've been here for hours making this hair. I made my lines inside are bulky, so at the back here it's looking bulky, but I've done what I could and I am glad with the outcome. I look like a baddie. And I mean, I can rock this look for today and tomorrow. Then the other day I'll remove it and then redo everything else. So guys, if you have any comments, if you have any correction that I should make next time, kindly let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new here, my name is Brenda Aubrey, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. In this channel I share all things about life adventures, self-love, and many more, literally. So you're most welcome to my channel, and subscribe, like, turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. Yeah guys, that's all for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.